Tens of thousands of Jewish nationalists, some chanting racist slogans, marched through Jerusalem's Old City on Sunday, sparking clashes between Israelis and Palestinians.
Israelis are holding here a march on Jerusalem Day, celebrating the Israeli occupation of East Jerusalem in the 1967 war, though the Palestinians have long viewed it as a provocation.
The march started in the western part of the city and continued through the narrow Palestinian streets of the old city's Damascus Gate until reaching the Western Wall, just below the Al-Aqsa Mosque compound, a holy flashpoint site for both Muslims and Jews. Clashes broke out during the marches. Video footage on social media showed that Israelis sprayed pepper gas and beat Palestinians, while the Palestinians threw bottles of water and chairs at the other side. The Palestinian Red Crescent said in a statement that at least 62 Palestinians were injured by rubber bullets, beatings and pepper gas. Meanwhile, tens of thousands of Palestinians have joined public protests organized in the West Bank, the Gaza Strip and East Jerusalem against the flag march held by the Israeli far-right groups. Clashes also broke out between the Palestinian protesters and the Israeli army in the West Bank.